How to crop image in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So I will show you how you can crop the image. First we need to use the drawing option. Just go to the insert, and here you can see the option called drawing. Just click on it. Now here we need to insert the image. Just click on image, and here you can search image in Google Image. Also you can take image from Google Drive, or you can upload the image from your device. So I just upload my image from my device. Just click, I need to just click on it. Okay guys, so here just find out the your image. Okay, just click okay, it will be start uploading. Okay, it starts upload now. Now here you can see the crop option. Just click on crop. Now you can just need to that click black corner line and hold and drag down or up. Just crop like this. After done, just click outside anywhere, it will be cropped. Now you can maximize minimize the image. You can see there is a lots of option. You can also write on the image, like you have to just uh, you know draw the text box and you can write on it. You can also change the font color and all. You can increase the border width from here, image border line. You can also change the border style. Okay, after you done, just close, save and close. Image will be inserted in Excel sheet. Now you can minimize, maximize the size. Or if you want to fit this image in cell, then you can just click on any that cell. Okay, maximize the size of this cell. Okay, just click on image. You can put image into it. Okay, and that is how you can insert the image, crop the image in Excel. Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.